Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. Today's video I'll be showing you how you can fix Instagram note music not showing on Instagram application. Now in order to fix this issue, what you need to do is first thing first, you'll need to check your internet connection. After that, you'll need to open up or log in into your Instagram application. Now if you're facing issues with Instagram note feed not showing music after a new update, here's how you can do it. First of all, what you can do is you can simply update your Instagram application or check for an update. So what you have to do is, in order to check for an update, you'll need to go to your Play Store. After that, on the search box, type in Instagram and check whether you need to update the application or not. In my case, I need to update, so click on the update button and wait for it while it is updating. After updating the application, check your Instagram note. If you're still unable to fix it, then you can clear cache as well as data. For that, you need to long press on your Instagram application, go to app info icon. Here you need to click on storage and cache, click on clear cache as well as clear storage. Now keeping this in mind, clearing your storage will delete all of your information. Make sure that you know your login credential and all that, only then tap on it. Now Instagram music is actually available in some part of the world, so note that the music feature on Instagram may vary by reasons and account type. Make sure that your feature is available in your region and that your account type is personal or business. After following all of these steps, you're still unable to fix it, then you can reinstall your Instagram application or restart your device here, and that might be able to fix the issue. Apart from it, you can get a direct help or contact the support team and you might state about the issue. So in this way, you can fix your Instagram music note not showing on your Instagram account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.